Hey guys, happy mail video, yay! So love this packaging, the ombre purple, and then the little happy mail sticker. How adorable is that? Love it. You can tell there's love put into this cute little happy mail. Okay, so I have made the announcement already, just not on Instagram, I don't think. I mentioned it in a video, but I am now PRing for Tilly B Plans. So that's exciting because you guys know I haven't done... I have a lot of stickers from Planner Sister Stickers, but it's not like a set contract thing or anything like that. Okay, so this one is, show you guys the first looks. So she ties it around with a ribbon, which my cat loves to play with later. And then she has her Tilly B Plan sticker, which I have kept and put in my planners before for when I order. So I don't know if I can get this off though. We shall see. Usually I can. Yay, I did it. Okay, we'll put that to the side so we can put it in our planner. All right, so she sent me some freebies. We also shop swapped for my birthday sale, so that'll be happening too. I already have one of these because I think she just switches them up every once in a while because, yeah, I have the same one already. So this is her Tilly, and then you see a little bee clip in her hair. How cute is that? Okay, let's go through these little freebies first. So, I like that she doesn't actually seal the baggies. I do. All right, so these are from like a bunch of different shops. So this one is from Wilson Wild. And then this one is from Crafty Pals Creations. Little Harry Potter theme. This one is from Coco and Fluff. I love that water plant sticker. This one is from Irish Acres Designs. Little 4th of July theme there. And then we have this one. This one is from, is it Elisa Ravel? Elisa Ravel, I think? I'm not sure. So there you go, a little patriotic one there. And then these freebies. What are these freebies? These are fun. 1, 2, 3, there's 7. Okay, so I think when you order, you get her shop freebie, and then you'll get my freebie. But I don't think my freebie's in here. I don't think she had it designed yet. So here you go, this one. It says, I'm getting real sick of pants and responsibilities. Adorable. And then this one is a decorative box, and there's like a Happy Mail, and then there's like, it looks like you're like doing a Zoom meeting with your cats, which is fine. You do you. And this one says, I'm not wearing glasses anymore. I've seen enough. Me. I've really been complaining about my vision lately. I really have. Like, I'm just really at the point where I'm getting tired of putting contacts in or having glasses because I know I probably haven't even had them as long as some people. But I've had glasses since I was in like 6th grade, 5th or 6th grade. And now I'm about to be 36 and I am just so tired of it. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to do something about it. Those kind of look like sand dollars, but they're not. But they kind of look like it. And then there's a bunch of Feed Me stickers. That's cute. And then this one has a design and then little heart checklist and flags. It says appointment, family time, crap I don't want to do, and then to do. And then this one says I'm a hot mess minus the hot triple the mess. Yeah, that's me. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram logos. Adorable. And then we have some checklist boxes and quarter boxes. And then we have a decorative box. And then we have little phones here that say call. And a little phone that says, hey, like you're texting. I like the swirls. That's fun. Okay, so those are the freebies that she put in my order. And then I got some functionals. She sent me a bunch of stuff. I got some functionals, some laundry stickers, so wash machines. I got some red soda drinks because when I go to Sonic, I usually get a strawberry Coke Zero. So in my head, that's what it looks like. And then I got Tilly B Plans. She's doing some planning time. I always need plan stickers. I got Tilly B Tacos because I love tacos. Here's the movie ones. I'm pretty sure she included extra. I did not order all these. Okay, here's a movie one, which I just did a movie freebie this last week, so that's funny. And then popcorn, and then a little ticket. And then Be Real Not Perfect. This sticker is on my freebie. The Coke is on my freebie. I might try to show you on my phone here in a minute. But I like this one. It's going to help me. And then this one is a Zoom meeting with your cats. And then you could use it for anything. This one is sale, spending money. It's got a grocery cart. That's fun. More Zoom meetings with your cats. Can never have too many of those. Sleeping in, or maybe you need some sleep, or you're marking when you took a nap to track your moods. And then a clock. Let's see, what time does this clock say? This clock says 11:55. Why the clock says 11:55, I'm not sure, but it does. Time to go to bed. All right, this one says Tilly B plans order. It's a TB order. That's fun. I like that. I was like, what? All right, and this is some Tilly B plans happy, I guess. She has some emotion ones. Oh, and then the little, oh, I got another one in here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, grocery carts, love. Always going to the grocery store. Little cute pens that have little bees on them. She needs to make actual pens that have bees on them. That would be adorable. Okay, just a thought. Okay, next, there's one more sheet in here, and it says quick cleanup. I am all about the quick cleanup. I am not a big fan of cleaning days. I'm all about like, okay, let's pick this up real quick and see some improvement immediately. I love the chaos of like mail, paper clips, planner, socks, pencil, Amazon box, glasses. Like it's true though. They're everywhere. Okay. All right, next up, I did not order these. She put those in there. Those are cute though. They kind of look like little sticky notes. It also kind of reminds me of Blue's Clues Thinkin' Notebook. Do you remember the Thinkin' Notebook? It reminds me of that. So she included a couple sheets of those. That's so nice. Ooh, some notebook paper looking sheets. That's adorable. This one looks like it's been torn out of a notebook. Or a happy planner. Some sticky note, like you're going to washi tape a note on there. And then some clouds and arrows. And then some highlighted boxes. Some traced boxes. Which I always love when people do these and they're playing with me, but mine never look good. So I'm happy to have ones that are already made. Some quarter boxes. Some square sticky note looking washi tape. Stickers. Oh, this is the June functional bundle. That's what it says. Oh, read, girl. Okay, it's a June functional bundle. So I think you can just order this. I'll have to look into that. I think you just order this, and then it comes in all the colors. So this is if you're like a functional planner and not really into the deco. So you have your days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fun. Yeah, June for the whole month. And then here's a bunch of boxes. If you like to plan with doodles, then that would be great. Okay, that's new. I like that. The June functional bundle. All right. Next up, we have the kit that I ordered. This is why I made a bunch of new releases based on this particular movie. This kit is called Sparkle. Here's the deco sheet. Aren't the princesses adorable? I know. And look, there's a little mouse. Adorable. And then there's even like a little white horse and a little glass slipper. See? Adorable. Okay, this one has some extra washi strips and then some scalloped and deco half boxes and quarter boxes. Here's our full box sheet. So this is why I made the sticker that says she leaves a little sparkle everywhere she goes. That's why I made that one. And then there's a little mouse, so that's why I made the mouse. Then we have our little pumpkin carriage. We have our little midnight. And then we have our glass slipper. And we have our fairy godmother. Check, check, check. So cute. All right, we have some full boxes with stars. Ooh, my magic wand is going to go with this kit too. The one I made for the Wizard of Oz. Yeah. And then I have half boxes here and headers. And then I have bottom washi and more washi, which is great because I don't have any Disney Princess washi. Nope. And then some habit trackers. And then we have date covers and date dots and some more deco and some functionals and some quarter boxes. And then we have some littles, some more checklists. And then I love her little script deco functionals. Those are awesome. I love them. Okay, I don't know when I'm going to use this, but soon. Soon and very soon. I'm going to use this kit. Okay, so that's Sparkle. I have one more kit that I ordered. And this one is called Summer Jewels. I mostly bought it because I have a thing for sunflowers. So there's a dragonfly, roses, stained glass, sunflowers, some more flowers, sunflowers, some more flowers, a butterfly, and then some more stained glass, and then some doodles at the bottom. And then we have some half box stained glass, Monday through Sundays, some doodles, and some quarter boxes. We have half boxes, half boxes, half boxes, and quarter boxes on this sheet with the images of the dragonfly, some stained glass, and a rose. It kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast though a little bit because like the stained glass. And then here's the bottom washi. Oop, this way. So you have like the stained glass and then you have the sunflowers. And I remember getting into a debate, I think it was with Susan, where I was like, are sunflowers a fall flower or a summer flower? And people are like, both. So here's our date covers. Love the bold lettering. And then we have our date dots. And then we have a bunch of functionals. Those are awesome. And then we have some flags and some quarter boxes. And then we have all of these headers and checklists and scripts. So cute. So check out Tilly B Plans. You'll get my freebie. Use code Leslie20 for 20% off. I'll put it in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!